There are about 7,000 people who live here right now. Of those, 400 to 500 people are unaccompanied minors. That's children. And they've walked thousands of kilometers to get here, crossed multiple borders, and their biggest aim is to get to the UK.
He is very bad life. Yes, he is very bad life. I am not sleeping for here, not eating, not anything, not here.
Taliban say that give your sons to us to train him for Taliban, and then my father say I'm not giving you my sons, and then they can run my one brother, and then we come here.
What's the one thing that you miss the most?
I miss my mother too much.
It essentially comes down to they need some love. So they need somebody who takes care of them, who sees them as who they are. So that's essentially what it is. That's what worries me the most about this camp. That's the kids. I think we should take them in anyhow. Like, kids should always be protected. That's the future.